Architectural Builder's Supply is pleased to present you with this recording of the technical question that is listed in the title of this video.
This call may be monitored and recorded for quality assurance.
On which item?
All right. The item number, I believe, is 89912-001. The Kwikset Latch Mortise Tool.
I'm reasonably familiar with it.
Okay. Does it make round corners, or is it a square cutout?
Square only.
Does anybody make a rounded one?
Not that I've ever seen.
How do you bypass that?
You bypass it by only installing square corner latches. So all kidding aside, I've been in the biz for 30 years and my family for 80. I've seen a lot of hinge, but a lot of lock installation kits. I've never seen a radius corner marking tool.
Okay. All righty. Well, thank you so much for your time.
Yes, sir. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Architectural Builder's Supply hopes you have enjoyed this program. Again, thank you for watching, and if you've enjoyed this video, please click thumbs up, please subscribe, and maybe even send the video to someone that you know. Thank you.